Hi guys, it's May and it's Block of the Month. So we're going to continue with our series of very simple blocks. This one's called a tiny bow block. Try to say that 6 times fast. Okay, so what you have here is you will have 4 3.5-inch blocks, and then you're going to have 4 2-inch blocks. And with those 2-inch blocks, you are going to want to draw a diagonal. So just grab your ruler and you're going to do it from corner to corner here, and do that with every single one of them. I've already finished most of mine. Okay, so what we're going to do is, this is not meant to be tricky, but we're going to start by every single one of these sewing one of these little corner pieces in. And once you're done sewing each one of those tiny corner pieces in, so it'll look like that, what you'll need to do is you're going to trim off with your ruler and your rotary blade. You're just going to trim off so that you have only 1/4 inch left, and you're going to press your seam in like this. Okay, so I'm going to finish that for all 4 of these right now. Okay, so I have sewn in each of these pieces, and you can see that I've pressed back and trimmed them off. So you're going to lay it out like this. This is how you get your tiny bows. And you can imagine if you use this block over and over and over again, that you would get a tiny bow going this way and a tiny bow going this way. But even as a block by itself, it's really cute. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold over here and sew right along here, and same deal here. We're going to sew along this edge. Okay, so I'm going to finish sewing these now. It looks a little weird, but it looks beautiful once you get it together. It looks really beautiful if you do this particular block in a big series. Okay, so now I have both of these pieces laid out, so you're going to want to press them down. I'm not going to, just because I want to show you guys the end result really quick, so I'm going to finger press them down and fold them over like this and go ahead and sew them in place. I just need to make sure that my seams are going the correct way, right, so that I have nested seams. Okay, so you're going to want to press this really great, but look how cute that is. Okay, so make sure to leave me a comment below. I hope you have a chance to make this, and I will see you for next month's Block of the Month.